Mira Nexa. I'm here with my scooter. Even though when I try to turn it on, it's not turning it on. It's broken already.
So as you can see, guys, if I go closer, it's really hurt us that much. We just have this about couple of months ago.
Yeah.
Then right now, when we press this one, even it will not turn on. There's no light, even though I will try to press it or hold it, so it will not still on. So there's nothing.
Nothing glowing
So it's
here.
quite sad. It's not good. So right now we will try to plug it in with our power supply. See if it will be charged. So as you can see, it's color green. So I'm expecting, or we are expecting, if we plug this in here, we expect
that it's already full.
that it will turn red. The indicator, okay? You look at it. So it's already plugged in there, but still the color is green.
Yeah, guys, it's color green. It's still gonna be red later.
So we are planning to fix this one.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna fix this one.
So Ati, so we will try to open this one, Ati.
Yeah.
So this will be our first time to open the scooter and try to fix it
Oh my god.
and see if we can really fix this.
I can't.
It's not good.
I don't know why.
So let's see and try to find the reason why it won't turn on, why it won't charge anymore. This is it, Ati. We will try to open. So if we go on look closely, so there is many screws here, and we need star so that we can open this one. Okay.
A star screw.
Yeah, star screw.
I don't know if we have it, guys.
Yeah, we'll try to find. Okay.
Okay.
Open the scooter. Let's open this one by one. We're gonna use this thing here, the star. Screwdriver. So all the screws are done here. So we need to open it, yeah. So open it. Oh, there's
Just open it careful.
tip here.
Open it
Just
careful.
need to get
Okay,
this
just
one.
open it careful, Papa. Just open it careful.
Okay.
Then voila.
So here it is. Let's see why it's not working. It seems that everything looks okay.
I see something, Papa.
Hmm?
I see something not working. Come on. See this, see this. See this black one. That's all. Eat it.
So when I try to check the battery, the reading is around 3.6 volts. I'm expecting it should be 36. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I think there's something wrong with the battery. So everything I checked the connection, I think it's okay. This is not good. Let's try to check again more. Put it here right away in this part. We can have a reading of 39 volts, which is closest to the rated voltage value. If we're gonna put it here, we only got 3.6 volts, so there's probably a problem in this part here. I think we know the problem now. What we're trying to do is how to get inside in the middle part here. to get the wire and connect it. So let's see how this goes. So hi guys, here we are once again to check the scooter. So I already conclude what's the problem with the scooter. So it's inside this board, guys. This one, see this? So here at it, guys, we're slowly getting it. So first I remove the reading temperature of this the battery, remove the paste and the tape, then try to slowly remove the board, and we need to be careful with this part here. Right, something happened. Okay, so that's it for now. For 1 week and a half, so I already ordered this board and replace it with my scooter. So let's see how this goes. Just replace it with the old one. Okay, so make it clear. So this is the new one, guys, and this is the old one. So try to work this out to see if this is really a board problem. Okay, let's do this. Do some soldering. Does everything work here now? So mo na siya, guys. So this is the parts na i-replace. So guba na siya. So this is the reason, this is the one why it won't charge, and this is the reason also na why the scooter is not turning on. So I replaced both of them, replace it with new one, so everything works okay now. That's it. And I'm happy that it's working, and I know how to fix the scooter now. So hi there again, guys. So I already put the new board inside here, so you can see it's already blinking blue. And let's try to turn this on if it really works. Unlike the other board, there's no blink, but this one's already have. So let's try to turn this on if it really works. This works, so hopefully it works, guys. Whoa! It's a miracle, guys. So it's already working. Let's try to turn it on. Make the wheel move if it really moves. Okay. Whoa! Now, guys, it's now working. So as you can see, the wheels are turning and everything works now. Woo! Yeah! I'm so happy. So we're already fixed, and so next time we'll try this out outside to be sure. But before that, I have to clean this up. Put some tape, everything, and close it, and that's it. We'll put some call this there, our tape, so hopefully everything works later. But right now I'm so happy. Thanks. So let's test it out outside later. See you guys. So let's see, guys, if it's already charging. So when we replace everything, so it's color red, so it means it's already charging, guys. Everything looks good and ready to test it out.